Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, class 4 students, we have already started this chapter number 13 in our regular classes. Now I will continue this chapter with exercise for 54, question number 5. You have to copy down all these questions in your maths copy. Okay, class 4 students, you have to copy down and you have to learn these questions and you have to write these questions in your maths copy. नॉट डू इन दी ज्योमेट्री कॉपी. ये आप ज्योमेट्री कॉपी में काम नहीं करेंगे बेटा. यू हैव टू डू दिस वर्क इन योर मैथ्स कॉपी. इज दैट क्लियर क्लास 4 स्टूडेंट्स? दिस इज योर कॉपी वर्क. चैप्टर नंबर 13 वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. सो आई कंटिन्यू दिस चैप्टर विद एक्सरसाइज 54 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. All the girls and boys listen to me carefully everyone. Class 4 students, you have to write all these questions of the video and you have to see the video 3 to 4 times to complete our work, to complete your work. Okay, class 4 student, so let's start exercise 54 question number 5. Exercise 54 question number 5. Okay, class 4 students, we have already studied ordering number in ascending or descending order. Today let us use it for ordering fractions. हम पहले नंबर्स की असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग सीख चुके हैं in previous classes. Now let us use it for ordering fractions. We have used ordering fractions. Firstly, let us understand how to order like fractions. So first, you know what is like fractions? Those fractions which denominators are same are called like fractions. जिनके denominator same होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? Like fractions. So first you understand how to order like fractions. See this example. 9/10, 3/10, 7/10 and 5/10. See this example. This is the like fraction. This is the set of fractions is like fraction. So arrange the given fractions in ascending or descending order. When the denominator of the given set of fractions are the same, arrange the numerators accordingly in ascending and descending order. What I mean? If the denominators are same, so look at this example. The denominators are same 10, 10, 10 and 10. So you have to arrange these numbers accordingly in ascending and descending order. Okay, we arrange the numerator in ascending order to get the fraction in ascending order like this. Okay, first you arrange this number in ascending order. So first if the denominators are same, if the fractions are like fractions, so ascending order 3/10, 5/10, 7/10 and 9/10. If the denominators are same, if the fraction is like fractions, you have to arrange this number in ascending order. And then in descending order, first you set the numbers in descending order like 9/10. The numerators is, you have to arrange the numerators accordingly in descending order. 9 is greater than 7, so first 9 is the greatest number amongst all these numbers. So 9/10, 7/10, 5/10 and 3/10. So this is the example of like fractions in ascending and descending order. Now we arrange the numerators in descending order to get the fractions in descending order. So now let us learn to order unlike fractions. अब हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? अब हम पढ़ेंगे unlike fractions को ascending और descending order में लिखना. अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा है बेटा? हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Arrange these numbers या arrange these fractions in ascending order या like fractions. The denominators are same. You have to order accordingly. 3 is smaller than 5, 5 is smaller than 7, 7 is smaller than 9. In descending order, 9 is greater than 7, 7 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than 3. So I hope you understand this example of like fractions. Okay, now let us learn unlike fractions. Let us learn the order of unlike fractions. Okay, class 4 students, this is question number 5, exercise 54, page number 143. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. You have to see all these parts A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I have started question 5 with part A. Okay, With part A you have to see this is the set of fractions of like fractions. अगर आप part A देखें 2/7, 5/7, 3/7 are like fractions. So you have to solve in your copy, in your maths copy. Is that clear? So let's start our work. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. See the denominators. Denominators are same 7, 7, 7. So you have to write accordingly the numerators. If the denominators are same, so you have to write the numerators accordingly in ascending order. And the question is that you have to arrange the following fractions in ascending order. So first you write 2/7. So 2 is smaller than amongst all these numbers 2, 5, 3. Then 3/7 and then 5/7. And you have to write the symbol of the ascending order is less than. 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 5. So this is the solution of like fractions. यानी कि आपको ये solution है like fractions if the denominators are same. like fractions की ascending order, क्योंकि तमाम नंबर्स में यानी कि तमाम फ्रैक्शन में जो गिवन फ्रैक्शंस हैं उनमें डिनोमिनेटर सेम था, इसलिए हमने इनको ऐसे सॉल्व कर दिया. यानी कि डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम थे एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट द न्यूमरेटर्स अकॉर्डिंगली इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज 8/11, 2/11 and 3/11. So first you have to write 2/11, then you write the symbol of ascending order. This is the less than. 2 is less than 3. So 3/11, okay, and then 8/11, okay. If the denominators are same, so you have to write the numerators accordingly in ascending order. आप इनको ascending order में लिखेंगे. 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 8. Is that clear, class 4 students? You have to copy down part A, B and all these parts of video in your copy, in your maths copy. Now move to the next part. Okay, class 4 students, let's move fractions in ascending order of unlike fractions. देखिए 3, 6, 9. The fractions are unlike fractions. Fractions are unlike fractions. So you take the LCM of denominators 3, 6 and 9. You take the LCM of denominators 3, 6 and 9. So you have to write in your rough column 3, 6, 9 and you have to take the LCM of 3, 6, 9. So we started with 2, 3 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is. So 3, 3, 9, it is divisible by 3. So you have to write in 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and then at the last 3 बचा है हमारे पास. So it is divisible by 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. So you have to write these number in with multiply. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So LCM will be 18. You have to write LCM is 18. LCM is 18 and you have to make 3 into 18, 6 into 18, 9 into 18. Okay, so let's move to the first part is 2/3. 2/3. So 3 is multiplied by 6 to make 18. So 3 6 are 18. If the denominators is multiplied by 6, you have to multiply the numerator also by 6. Okay, so 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18. The next part is 5/6. 6 is multiplied by 3 to make 18. 6 multiplied by 3. If 6 is multiplied by 3, then the numerator is also multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. Then the third fraction is 1/9. 9 multiplied by 2. 9 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 18 आएगा एंड और 1 को भी 2 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18. So all the denominators are same. 18, 18, 18. So you have to write in your ascending order. आप इन fractions को अब ascending order में लिख सकते हैं. So first is 2/18, then 12/18, then 15/18. So 2/18 is become from कहाँ से आया ये देखिए 1/9, then 12/18, 2/3 and then 5/6. This fraction is in ascending order. This fraction is in ascending order. First you take the LCM. LCM is 18 and you become all the denominators in 18 to 18. Okay, is that clear, class 4 students? Now move to the part E. This is the part E. You have to copy down all these questions in your copy, in your maths copy. Okay, class 4 students. This is the next part. Exercise 54, page number 143. So you start your work. The denominators are same, so it is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, देखिए denominators तीनों के अलग हैं, so it is unlike fractions. और जिनके denominators एक जैसे होते हैं वो like fractions कहलाते हैं, जिनके denominators अलग होते हैं वो unlike fractions कहलाते हैं. So first you take the LCM of 5, 15, 10, all the denominators of given fraction. So you take the LCM in rough column, 5, 15, 10. So first you divide by 2, 5 as it is, 15 as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Then divided by 3, 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15, then 5 as it is. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So 2 multiply by 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So LCM is 30. So you have to write LCM is 30. And you have to become all the denominators into 30. First fraction is 4 upon 5. 5 का टेबल इतना पढ़िए कि 30 आ जाए. 5 multiply by 6. 5 multiply by 6. If you multiply the denominator by 6, you also multiply the numerator by 6. 4 multiply by 6 also. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. Is that clear? The next fraction is 8 upon 15. 15 multiply by 2 and 8 multiply by 2. So 15 2s are 30 and 8 2s are 16. The third fraction is 3 upon 10. 10 का टेबल इतना पढ़िए कि 30 आ जाए. 10 3s are. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो you have to multiply the numerator also by 3. Also by 3. 3 3s are 9, 10 3s are 30. All the denominators are same. See this. So you have to arrange in ascending order. First 9 upon 10, then 16 upon 10, 16 upon 30, 9 upon 30, 16 upon 30 and 24 upon 30. 9 upon 30, 16 upon 30 and 24 upon 30. 9 upon 30 is come from 3 upon 10, 16 upon 30 is come from 8 upon 15 and 24 upon 30 is come from 4 upon 5. So the fractions in ascending order. Fractions is written in ascending order. Is that clear, class 4 students? You see this part, question number 5, part E. This is part D and this is part E. You have to copy down this question in your copy. Is that clear, class 4 students? You have to copy down all this work, all this video work in your maths copy. Okay, class 4 student, the next part is part F of exercise 54, page number 143. Page number 143. So see this, you have to write solve and you take the LCM of 7, 21 and 14. If the denominators are different, you take the LCM of denominators 7, 21, 14 in your rough column. So 7, 21, 14. So first you take 2, 7 as it is, 21 as it is, 2 7s are 14. 21 3 के टेबल में आता है, so you write 7 as it is, 3 7 are 21, 7 as it is. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So LCM is 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. LCM is 42. So you write the LCM is 42 and you have to make all the denominators into 42. यानी कि 7 को 42 बनाना है हमें, 21 को 42 बनाना है और 14 को 42 बनाना है. फर्स्ट 5 upon 7. 7 को हमें क्या बनाना है, 42. So 7 multiply by 6. If 7 is multiplied by 6, so 5 is also multiplied by 6. Is that clear? 5 6 are 30, 7 6 are 42. The next fraction is 10 upon 21. 21 is multiplied by 2 to make denominator 42. So LCM is 42. That is why we make denominator 42. So 10 is also multiplied by 2. 10 2s are 20 and 21 multiplied by 2 is 42. Is that clear? Now 3 upon 14. 14 is multiplied by 3. 14 is multiplied by 3. So 3 is also multiplied by 3 because 14 is multiplied by 3 to make the denominator 42. Then you have to multiply the numerator also by 3. 3 3s are 9. So first you write, in all the denominators are same, so first you write the smallest number among all these fractions, 9, 20 and 30. So 9 upon 42, then 20 upon 42, then 30 upon 42. So 9 upon 42 is come from 3 upon 14, 20 upon 42 is come from 10 upon 21, and 30 upon 42 is come from 5 upon 7. So it is the question of exercise 54, page 143, question number 5, part F. Okay, class 4 students, you have to copy down all the video questions in your copy. So question number 5, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Part A, B, D, E and F. You have to copy down all these questions in your copy. Is that clear, class 4 students? I hope you like it. I hope you understand it. Please do neat work. बहुत अच्छे से काम करिएगा. वेरी गुड वर्क. आप लोग पहले से बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. प्लीज़ डू नीट वर्क. अल्लाह हाफिज़.